I'm visiting with Dr. Jadine Anderson, who is a chiropractor. Dr. Anderson, I'm curious, what are those little sounds that I hear when I'm getting an adjustment?
The sounds you hear are gases being released from the joints within the spine. There's several different joints between each vertebra, and when the bone is actually moved, then that's when there's a gas release. It's no different than cracking your knuckles. There's a little bit of gas release from those joints.
It's gas being released.
Yes.
So it's not the bone being put back into place?
Yes, it is the bone being put back into place when done by a chiropractor, and when there's that movement, that's what releases the gas in the joints.
That's very interesting. What does the gas do? Does it get captured there?
How I explain it to people is when you have a suction cup on a glass window and you pull the suction cup off, there's that popping noise. It's a similar thing within the joints. When the joints are moved, there's that suction cup release where the gas is released, and that's resulting in the sounds that you hear.
And the gas is created by the misalignment?
There's gas within the joints that aids in the joint being healthy. So when the movement occurs, there's that release, and that's a very good thing. There's research that shows that that aids in the recovery of the patient significantly.
Well, very good. Thank you, Dr. Anderson.